Adikalakotu channel. Today I would like to share a simple recipe of French toast. I know everyone will be knowing how to make French toast, but this recipe is for those who don't know this recipe, and I'm dedicating this recipe to all those who like French toast. So let's start making French toast and we can see what are the ingredients we need for making French toast. This French toast is very tasty with honey. So let's begin how to make French toast. To make French toast we need 1 egg, 100 ml of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a pinch of salt. Now we have to mix all this together thoroughly. Now all the ingredients are mixed thoroughly and now we can keep it aside. To make the French toast, I have took about 4 slices of bread. Now I'm not cutting the sides and all of this bread. So now we can keep this also aside and heat a pan. To the hot pan I'm adding 1 small cube of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding this ghee so that our French toast will be getting a good flavor. So ghee and oil both I'm adding. Now take a slice of bread and then dip in this mixture. And we can fry. When one side is fried properly, a light brown appears, we can turn over to other side also. Now let's turn this bread to other side also. And fry both sides equally. One bread is ready. We can do this other bread also in the same manner. Same manner we can do the other bread also. So our tasty and healthy French toast is ready. It's so simple recipe, so you can all try this, and if you like my video, please don't forget to share and like my video, and those who have not subscribed to Adikalakotu channel, please subscribe my channel too. Thank you.